Hi friends, welcome to a brand new segment of Invest Talks, Friday Basics, which will give you good insight about Indian equity market. My sincere effort in this segment is to create awareness to all in simple language. This series will be arranged in such a way so as to understand everyone who are beginners. Please share this video to all those who wish to learn, understand and participate in stock market. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get the notifications of upcoming knowledge-packed videos on personal finance and stock market. Welcome back to Finvest Talks, where we make everyone understand the basics of money management. Before going into this video, make sure you watch earlier videos of this series, which is mentioned in the I button. Hi friends, welcome back to Finvest Talks, Investment for a Better Tomorrow. In our previous video, we discussed how to create a safe portfolio for beginners and looked into 10 bluest of blue chip stock along with one bonus stock which have potential to give decent returns for future. Also, we created a basket of stocks, Finstar SAP, through small case which will help you to invest through systematic disciplined route. In this video, I will tell you how to place an order, how to buy and sell stocks, what are the different type of orders one should know as a beginner. Here we are using Zerodha's Kite platform to explain, but the concept remains same across different platforms like Upstocks, Alice Blue, etc. Let's begin. We will start with Zerodha's web platform to log in. For that, you need to go to kite.zerodha.com, which will lead you to login page. There you need to log in using the credentials what you received through email, which you may receive within 1 week of your application. Once you entered your user ID and password, it will ask for PIN confirmation and give the PIN and continue to log into the Kite platform. Once you entered inside, you will be in the dashboard of Kite application. Kite is a responsive, light and powerful web and mobile trading application offered by Zerodha. It consumes less than 0.5 kbps bandwidth for a full market watch. It has extensive charting with over 100 indicators and 6 chart types. It is one of the good and smooth trading platform I come across. Once you entered inside, you will be in the dashboard of Kite application. Here you can see other tabs like orders, holdings, position, fund, apps, etc. On the left hand side, you can see list of stocks featured. On the right hand side, below your user ID, you can see tabs like My Profile, wherein you can edit your profile. Back Office, where you will get back office data. Coin, which is a mutual fund app, Varsity, which is e-learning module, etc. On the main area, we can see the overview of the account with a pre-map visualization of stock holding based on invested amount, current value and P&L. We can see the details of our holding, how much is the available balance, what is the overall holding, how much is your investment and what is the current value, how much is your overall percentage gain, etc. On the bottom, a horizontal bar graph is given to view the most profitable and loss-making positions. Take your mouse over visualizations to see the values. Next is the universal search. Here you can search all the listed stocks in BSE as well as NSE on this smart search box. On the top, you can pin your favorite stocks or indices. For that, you have to go to the stocks on the list and right-click it and pin it. In this example, we pin the indices Sensex and Nifty. On the bottom, 5 tabs are available, numbered 1 to 5, where you can create 5 different watch lists with 50 stocks each based on your criteria, like say banking stocks, indices, sector leaders, IT sector, etc. The next one is the market depth. If you take your mouse over a particular stock, it will show various options like B for buy, S for sell, market depth, chart, delete and more. Now we will see market depth in detail. That is the third icon. Market depth gives the best 5 bids and offers, that is, best buy price and best sell price. It also shows all price details of the stock like open price, high, low, previous close, volume, average price, last traded quantity, lower circuit price and upper circuit price. Before placing buy order, you need to check the fund availability. For that, you have to go to Fund tab. If you wish to add fund, click Add Funds. It will open the window as shown here. Then enter the investment amount and using your internet banking, you can complete the transaction. Now we are ready with funds to place orders. Now let us see how to place orders. What are the different type of orders and how to keep the stop losses? Let's see. For buying a stock, place the pointer above the stock. It will show options like B for buy and S for sell. For buying, you can click on B and it will open up a new window. Before buying, we need to select the product type. There are two products available, CNC and MIS. CNC is cash and carry, that is delivery, and the stock will be moved to your DP. The other one is MIS, which is margin intraday square off. In margin intraday square off, we need to close the position on the same day itself. You need to close the trade before 3:10, else the broker will auto-complete the trade with some penalty. The next thing is the order type. Once you are clear about the product type, that is MIS or CNC, the next thing is order type. There are two types of orders. One is limit order and the other one is market order. Limit order is the buy or sell order placed at a predetermined price, whereas market order is the order placed at the best available market price. It means once the order is entered, the system will execute the orders with the best price available in the market. Market orders get executed almost immediately and the investor do not have control on the price. The next one is stop loss orders. A stop loss order is one of the most important type of orders where we can limit losses by exiting a trade if the price goes in opposite direction. By placing a stop loss order, we can save ourselves from high losses if the price goes in opposite direction. There are two types of stop loss orders. First one is the stop loss market order SLM and the other one is stop loss limit order SL. Stop loss market order is a type of stop loss order where we can set a trigger price to exit the trade if the price goes in opposite direction. Suppose there is a buy position at rupees 1000 and the trigger price for the stop loss is placed at 990. If the price hit 990, then it will place a sell order to exit the trade. The sell order will be executed at market price. The next one is stop loss limit order. The stop loss limit order is almost similar to stop loss market order, but the only difference is it will get executed at a specified limit price and not at market price. In these type of orders, we have to set a trigger price as well as a limit price. For example, suppose there is a buy position at say 1000 rupees and the trigger price for a stop loss is say at 990 and the stop loss limit price is 988. Then see how it works. If the price falls to 990, it will trigger a sell order at rupees 988. And if the price gets to 988, it will get executed. The main thing we need to note is, for a guaranteed stop loss execution, it is safe to use stop loss market order. The tab next to dashboard is orders tab. When we place an order, say buy or sell, it will get reflected in orders tab. When the order gets executed, it will reflect in position tab for that day. The next day, the delivery will happen and will reflect in DP Holdings tab. The other smooth feature is charting. Keep the pointer on a particular stock and it will show various options. One such option is chart. Once you click on the chart for a particular stock, the chart will open. It has extensive charting with more than 100 indicators and 6 chart types. The various charting indicators we will discuss in upcoming videos. This guide tutorial session I had made it so simple covering basic tools so that beginners can understand well. Once hands-on, we can explore other features. There are a lot of advanced features available in Kite platform. So now you can buy your first stock yourself. In our next video, we will discuss what is long-term investment, what are the benefits and how much is really long-term, which one is better, short-term or long-term investment. And also we will see some of the stock market jargons which we will come across regularly once we start exploring stock market. Please do like if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of upcoming videos on personal finance and stock market. Please post your valuable comments. Do follow the Friday Basics to make your stock market journey easy. Thanks for watching and have a good day.